Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sell on Gumroad, Philippines, or how you can make money on Gumroad. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then you just have to use the search bar at the top and search for Gumroad. That's right, and you'd be able to see this first website at the top. So just simply click on this one. That's right. And right here, we just have to click on the start selling. So let's view the pricing first. So for the pricing, we have per transaction for all sales through your profile or direct links to your customers. They have 10% plus $0.50. And right here, per transaction, when new customers find and buy through their discovery marketplace, that would be 30%. Okay, so that's just very cheap, right? So after that, you just have to go back here. Okay, and then you just have to click on the start selling, and then you can log in using your Facebook account, your Google, and then after that, you just have to go here on your dashboard. Okay, so since we already have our account right here, as you can see on the getting started option, we have this options, right? Welcome on board, make an impression, create your first product, build your tribe, and more. So you just have to do all of this right here. Now, to create your product, of course, you just have to go here. Okay, so this is the products section. Okay, and here you'd be able to see your collaborators. Okay, and then the checked out section. Okay, and then your emails. You have here your workflows. You have here your sales. Okay, and then your analytics and your payouts. Okay, so now let us try to add some products. Okay, so right here, just have to click on the new product option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so click on it. Okay, so here you just have to turn your idea into a live product in minutes. So just a few quick selections and you're ready to start selling. So whether it's digital downloads, online courses, or membership, you just have to see what is the product that you are creating. So for example, you are selling digital products, so any set of files to download or stream. Also have the course or tutorial. You can sell a single lesson or teach a whole cohort of students. And for the ebook, offer a book or comic in PDF, EPUB, and movie formats. And for the membership, start a membership business around your funds. And for the bundle, you can sell two or more existing products for a new price. Okay, for the services, currently this one is disabled until our account is 30 days years old. Okay, so here we have the commission, the call, and the coffee. So you can sell custom services with 50% deposit upfront and 50% upon completion. And for the call, you can offer scheduled calls with your customers. And for the coffee, you can boost your support and accept tips from customers. Now, let us try to name our product. So, for example, we are selling a digital product. Okay, so like mountain view, so you just have to type out right here the name of your product. So I'm going to select the digital product. After that, you have to set here your price. Okay, so here you have the currency. So since we are from the Philippines, I'm just going to select peso. Okay, so I'm selling this product for 200 pesos. After that, just click on the next customize option at the top right of your screen. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here, you have to add the details of your product, and at the right side, you have here the preview of your product. Okay, so here we have the name of our product, and then of course the description of your product. So you just have to describe here the your product. Okay, the details of your product, and then of course here is your URL. And right here, just have to upload the images or videos of your product. And take note that the images should be horizontal and at least 1280 by 720 pixels and 72 dpi dots per inch. Okay, so here we have the thumbnail. So this image appears in the Gumroad library, so discover and profile pages. So your image should be square, at least 600 by 600 pixels, and JPG, PNG, or GIF format. Okay, so after uploading your thumbnail, just have to proceed to the product information. So we have here the call to action. So I want this, buy this, pay. So I think I want this is more friendly. So I'm just going to select that call to action. Now for the summary. Okay, so for the summary, you just have to type it right here, summary of your product. Okay, now for the additional details, you can add details, call out important features of your product that help your customers decide to buy. So here, just have to click on the add details, like for example, the attribute, the value, and then just have to add another if you have additional details for your product. Next is the integration. So here you can invite your customers to a Gumroad community chat. You can invite your customers to a Circle community. You can also invite your customers to a Discord server. So just have to toggle the switch on for this one. And then people who purchase your product will be automatically invited to your Discord server. But before that, you have to connect your Discord. So simply click on the connect to Discord option. Okay, and then for the pricing, we already set this one. And then if you want to allow customers to pay what they want, so you can toggle the switch on for this one. Then if you want to allow to pay in installments, so you can also toggle the button for this option. And then for the versions, you can offer variations of this product. So sweeten the deal for your customers with different options for format, version, and etc. So if you want to offer variations, so just simply click on the add version option. Okay, and then for the settings, we have here if you want to limit the product sales, you can also turn on the switch on for this one, and then you just have to type it right here the maximum number of purchases. And then if you want to allow customers to choose quantity, publicly show the number of sales on your product page, mark product as a e-publication for VAT purposes, and also specify a refund policy for this product. And if you want to require shipping information, so you just have to toggle the switch on for this one. And then for the custom domain, just have to type out right here your domain. And then after adding all of those details, you just have to simply click on save and continue, and then click on publish and continue. Now you can share it on your X account, Facebook. You can copy the URL and then share it on your social media accounts. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.